Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw red from Rainbow Friends. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with red, let's begin with the eyes. The eyes are going to be oval shape. So we're going to start right about here, and we're going to make an oval shape, and this oval shape is going to be kind of at an angle. So you can see when we drew this, it's kind of at an angle. Now let's leave some space, let's draw the next one over here. So I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to draw this at an angle, and we're just going to come right up to here. Now inside of here we want to make another large oval. So we're just going to draw another large oval right inside of here. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to draw another large oval. Next, you want to go ahead and color this in and just leave a little bit of white at the very top. So we're just going to color this part in, leaving just a little bit white for a small little reflection. And I'm going to do that same thing over here, just coloring in most of it, leaving just a little bit white at the top. Starting here, let's make a little sad face to connect each eye. Now starting here, let's curve this line down and in, and we'll do that same thing here, just curve this down and in. Now right across here, we're going to make a line that goes across. So we're going to start out here, we're going to come right across the bottom of the head to about here. Now starting here, we're going to go down and in. I'll do that same thing here, just go down and in. Then we're going to make this line come down on each side. We're going to go ahead and bring this line down a little bit farther. We'll do that same thing over here, just bring this line down a little farther. Next, let's bring this line across on each side. Then this time we're going to come up a little bit with each line, just to kind of form the legs. We'll draw a little line across. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down. I'll do the same thing here. We're going to curve a line that comes down. We're going to come across and up for the foot. Let's do the same thing here. Just come across and bring it up for the foot. Now, he's going to be kind of wearing a lab coat, so we want to kind of finish that step off. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come straight down to right about where the legs end. Or the legs start, I should say, right here. We'll do that same thing over here, just bring right down to here. Then we're going to go down and over. So watch that, we're just going to go down and then over. Right here, let's make a line across. And then we can finish off the details in here. So let's start up here. We're going to make a line that comes up and then a line that comes down. We'll make a little smiley face right here. And then starting here, let's go down and then up in a V shape. And we're going to make two lines that come down on each side. And a line that's going to come straight down here. Next, we want to draw the outer part of the coat. So starting here, let's come out at an angle. We're going to bring this in. We'll come out again. And then we'll bring it right down to here. Same thing here, we're going to go out and then in. And we're going to go out and then into here. Now let's finish off with the arms. So I'm going to start right about here. You want to draw a line that just curves down. And we'll do that same thing here, just curve down. I'm going to bring this out. And then we'll bring it out over here too. I'm going to bring this line in, coming right towards the body on each side. Then we're just going to come right up to here, the curve. So same thing here, just come up and then curve it right into here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up. Do that same thing here, just come down and then bring it right up. Then we're going to come down again and back up. Down again and back up. We'll make a line that comes across here and a line that comes right across here. Then the last thing we want to do is let's make a little line at the bottom of each shoe. And there you go, there is your drawing of Red from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.